Welcome, everyone. Today, I'll introduce a new twist on an established process, CRISP-DM. We're calling our adaptation CRISP-LLM, designed to merge the traditional data mining lifecycle with the power and pitfalls of large language models, LLMs. Along the way, we'll also highlight insights from Professor Cynthia Diane Rudin on why 95% of AI projects get stuck in proof-of-concept phases and how we can break free. CRISP-DM has been around since the late 90s, but remains the gold standard for guiding data science projects. The cyclical nature, starting with business understanding, working through data, and culminating in deployment, makes it a proven framework. Even as technology evolves, the fundamental steps remain crucial for delivering AI initiatives that actually see the light of day. And there are more cycles than just from the end to the beginning. You can easily iterate over data and evaluation alone. Cynthia Diane Rudin is director of the Interpretable Machine Learning Lab at Duke University. For me, one of her stark observations is that the majority of AI projects never fully deploy. It often boils down to misalignment between technical solutions and business requirements. We can't just build a prototype and hope it sticks. We need clear targets and collaboration from the get-go. LLMs are exploding in popularity, and there's a lot of shiny object syndrome going around. Companies dive in without a plan, only to flounder because of unclear goals, data problems, and limited model interpretability. CRISP-DM remains a bedrock process, but it needs to adapt to LLM's unique challenges, like managing large text corpora and ensuring results are understandable and actionable. Enter CRISP-LLM. Think of it as CRISP-DM 2.0, designed for the complexities of large language model projects. The big idea: an iterative cycle that chases real-world impact, not just research prototypes. We want continuous alignment with business needs, so we don't end up with a brilliant solution that no one actually uses. Let's break down each CRISP-DM step in the context of LLMs. First, business understanding must be top priority. What exactly should the model achieve? Then we explore and prepare text data carefully because that's where LLM bias creeps in. Modeling with LLMs means picking the right approach, evaluating with language-relevant metrics, and finally, we don't just deploy and forget. We continuously monitor and refine. So how do we avoid falling into that 95% trap? We need continuous evaluation, with robust feedback loops that track performance drift and user sentiment. We also need a culture that bridges technical and non-technical teams. Finally, interpretability efforts, from straightforward dashboards to advanced explanation frameworks, build trust and keep everyone on board. Ready to begin? Identify a clear business problem, apply the CRISP-LLM structure, and iterate until results speak for themselves. Keep that feedback loop open. Let's not let our AI dreams fizzle out at the proof-of-concept phase. CRISP-LLM can be your guiding framework for turning LLM innovation into lasting impact. Thank you, and here's to achieving 100% deployment success.